again. Today we're working on a Isuzu NPR. This is a regular customer of mine, but this is a new vehicle to us. This is actually my third or fourth time working on this customer. They changed out the water filter and then the water separator filter, and then they got some air in there. Of course, they were trying to bleed the air out and strip one of the injector banjo bolt. And so now we're just been fighting with it. It looks like it's never been out. PA blaster, air hammer. We got it to break loose as far as like turning, but I haven't figured out a way to pull it. So I got a couple extra hours today, and hopefully today's the day. Alright, so I don't know at what point the camera tilted over, but this is a bit of an escalation of what I was hoping I would do. I got the inductor tool right there, the plier with the adapter, and the slide hammer. I really did not want to do this. I really don't want to be hitting this up. Scary, but anyway, I'm applying enough heat, and then I'm trying to just hit it with the hammer, and then hopefully I'll find that happy medium between heating it up enough to break it loose and then just hitting it with a hammer so that it comes out. Welding mask. I got my welding sleeves and my gloves. If this shit catches on fire, I'm gonna be on fire, but I don't know, I guess I'm trying. But here's for the rest of it. I want to say that it's moving, but y'all know how that confirmation bias stuff is. You see what you want to see, so I don't know. It feels like it's coming out. We'll see, guys. You guys will be the first to know. So another update, the heat inductor did not work. I saw that it was smoking, so I think it burned off whatever PV blaster was left in there. I tried the torch. I only have a little portable torch, so that wasn't nothing. But I came up with this. So the injectors have these collars on them that bolt to the head, and the customer had removed it. So I thought, what if I weld it to that? I put a bolt on the back on both sides. I got the slide hammer, and I can use this attachment to bolt it down to it and just go to town with it. I really hope that's it, because I'm running out of patience, and that's when you make mistakes, when you run out of patience. So if this doesn't work, I'll probably call it quits for today. In a couple hours already, and yeah, we'll see. This is it. Had to whip out the old little welder. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I burned all the fluids that were in the cylinder, and so I'm not so scared of catching on fire as much anymore. This attachment right here, the black one, came from the from the puller set. Two-way cross lock apparently. Anyway, I'm sure those of you who are very well seasoned would have thought this at first, but what I did is I grabbed the collar from the old one, turned it upside down, welded the crap out of it, like welded it super thick when necessary. Then the studs, the 12mm studs that hold the injector in when you replace it, welded that in, and then that gave me the ability to lock it to this. And she's out. This is like she's out, she's moving, so yep. So there she is. Like I said, welded the cap or the collar to the injector, and then the little tans here. I can't believe how bad this was. First time doing this. I normally don't do this kind of stuff, but this is a bit more than I could chew for sure. But once it started moving, I knew it was going to come out. It's just a matter of patience, a lot of patience. And like I said, it's my fifth time here, so now I got to build some hours, figure out how much I spend here. Anyway, thank you for following me. I didn't find any info on this when I was looking it up. You know, everyone has that fancy pneumatic injector. I don't do this kind of stuff. I can't spend the 500 bucks and bill the customer 5 hours and break even. But this worked out great. Had to, believe it or not, I never owned a slide hammer, so I had to buy that. But just a little bit of ingenuity.